Is your water heater acting up? Experiencing inconsistent hot water, strange noises, or even no hot water at all? In Los Gatos, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment has been your trusted partner in water heater repairs and maintenance for years. A malfunctioning water heater can disrupt your daily routine, making even simple tasks frustrating. Common issues like leaks, temperature fluctuations, and sediment buildup often go unnoticed until they cause serious damage. At Rosenthal, we take pride in providing thorough inspections and precise repairs. Our technicians have extensive experience and the tools needed to diagnose the problem accurately, whether it's a faulty thermostat, a damaged heating element, or sediment clogging up the system. Our goal is simple: to restore your hot water quickly and efficiently, so you can get back to comfort. We also offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality, ensuring your satisfaction with every service. Contact us today. How can I tell if my water heater needs repair? Some common signs your water heater may need repair include inconsistent water temperatures, reduced hot water output, rust-colored water, odd sounds coming from the tank, and visible water leaks. Higher energy bills can also indicate a drop in efficiency, signaling that a repair may be needed. What should I do if my water heater is leaking? A leaking water heater can cause significant water damage and lead to costly repairs if left unattended. Turn off the water supply and the power to the heater, then call a professional. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment specializes in water heater leak repairs, offering prompt service in Los Gatos to minimize damage and ensure your water heater is safe and functional. How often should I have my water heater serviced? Regular maintenance is essential to prolonging the life of your water heater. It's generally recommended to have your water heater inspected and serviced annually. During a routine service. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 325 Soquel Avenue B17, Santa Cruz, California 95062. Our phone number is 831-610-0427. Visit our website, www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Soquel-Santa-Cruz-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair/.